Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then we are going to start a video. Please watch the full video. Do not skip. How to make a design shape pixel app on easily. Open a pixel app. Select a shape. Adjust the shape. Then select another shape. Change the color. Change the color of background. Adjust the color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.